Mastering the art of phone and video call etiquette. Hello, everyone. In today's lesson, we'll delve into the topic of common telephone and video call situations. This will help improve your listening and speaking skills, and give you the confidence to handle real-world conversations over the phone or video calls. Let's get started. Before we jump into specific scenarios, let's cover some of the general etiquettes for phone and video calls. Remember, politeness and respect are key, no matter the situation. 1. Always start the call with a greeting. This sets a positive tone for the rest of the conversation. 2. Speak clearly. Be sure your voice is clear, and don't speak too fast. 3. Listen attentively. Show the other person that you're interested in what they're saying. Avoid interruptions. 4. End the call politely. A positive ending leaves a good impression. Now, let's dive into the process of making a call. Imagine you need to contact a coworker to discuss a project, or you have to make a reservation at a restaurant. Here are some phrases you could use. Hello, this is your name. May I speak with person's name? Hi, I'm calling to discuss about I would like to make a reservation for. Next, let's look at receiving a call. Whether you're at work or at home, these phrases can be helpful. Hello, this is your name. How may I assist you today? Yes, I'm available to talk now. I'm sorry, but I'm currently busy. Can we talk at a later time? Sometimes, telephone or video call situations can get tricky. Let's look at some handling difficult situations. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you please repeat? I think there's a misunderstanding here. Let's clarify. I'm sorry, but I have to go now. Can we continue this conversation later? That's all for today, folks. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try to use these phrases and guidelines in your daily conversations to become more comfortable with telephone and video call etiquette. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and stay confident.